This is just the beginning of our journey. We at Saras Micro Devices look forward to joining this fast-growing ecosystem. We intend to bring forward extreme innovation and technological breakthrough with this brand new facility. We will be supplying the most advanced, custom cutting-edge, package-integrated power delivery solutions to the industry.
On behalf of the Arizona Commerce Authority, you bring an additional bump to this culture that has made us special and will make us even more special. So thank you for your contribution to this amazing Arizona culture and the semiconductor sector. We're honored to have you.
We've got a rich history of high-tech manufacturing, and Arizona has become and will continue to be a popular base of operations for an expanding ecosystem of semiconductor industry leaders. So Saras, we're excited for your investment in a new headquarter and manufacturing center. And your workforce will fit in and enjoy being part of our greater Chandler community.